Okay, daily maintenance. Here is daily maintenance. That means every day, before you run the machine, you need to check something. The first one is table. Okay. Every day, clean the cutting head and clean the table. Here, use some tools, clean the table. Okay, here is the table. Clean the table. And the second thing is to drip some oil to feeder. See here? Put down the feeder. You can shut down the air. Shut down the air here. And then put out the feeder and 1 drop oil. Put back another drop oil. Okay, that's what we need to do every day. Here is the second thing. The third is check the air pressure every day. Open the pressure, it should be up to 0.6. Okay, that's daily maintenance.